guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually going to tell you what has been going on. If you don't know who I am, I'm Elizabeth Quest, and I'm actually preparing for the pop-up event. I did all the setup because the organizer of the pop-up event wanted like an aesthetic video was showing what I am doing or what am I gonna be doing in the pop-up event. And so I decided to set up a small pop-up mock-up, I guess you can say, to basically make a video showing exactly what am I gonna be doing. And so as you can see me, I'm setting up all the furniture. I'm also gonna be setting up everything to look very, very nice. At the end, it took me 2 days to even set up the whole thing. I had to build all the furniture from, because I order everything from Amazon, and I had to create everything. Sorry, I had to build everything from the bottom up. I literally bought like two furnitures, one display, one rack, a little display wood, I guess you could say like a little display book, but it's like for a table. I did all that because, like I said, I wanted to make it look like if I were to be selling on the pop-up event. I literally and didn't do everything because I had so many blanks that I had to add, and you're gonna see in a couple minutes where did all went. It's been such a hectic week. I have been trying to sell my because I actually placed a garage sale. I did a garage sale, like a pre-sale garage sale, trying to organize everything for the actual garage sale, which is gonna be April 5th. And because I said on the previous video, we're actually moving out of this place, and now we want to sell everything that we have because I had a storage unit. It had so many stuff. We just want to get rid of it. And then I was so busy that I've been so busy, crazy busy, that I haven't really able to do a lot. That's why I'm like literally creating a video for Sunday night because I haven't had the chance, and I'm literally gonna once I'm done with this, I'm gonna upload it right away. So I literally have like 2 videos this week technically. um, I literally purchased everything from Amazon. All everything that you see, I literally bought it. I literally got 2 more machines because my original one has an attachment for tumblers. But the thing is, when I'm gonna be at the pop up, I don't want it to be like want to use both, and I can't because the same machine or the same heat up controller has to be used individually. And I've just decided to buy a new heat tumbler, and I mean heat press for tumblers, and also 40 ounce tumbler because the one that I had did not fit the 40 ounce, and I have a bunch of 40 ounce tumblers. And I understand that we have to have different types of price range for the pop-up event so that it has different prices for different people who just don't really want to buy something expensive, or the people that don't care about the price but still want to buy, different price range, have, a variety of prices so that the cart value goes up. It was an exhausting weekend. I am taking turns trying to organize this, trying to, uh, sell the garage sale, sell my stuff from the garage sale, organize my events. I'm like 2 weeks away from my first pop-up event. I'm actually gonna do two. I originally said one, pop-up event, but I'm actually gonna do two. I'm gonna do it on the 12th and on the 19th. It's gonna be one in like one like in about an hour away from where I live, and the other one is probably like 40 minutes. But here, I actually live in Houston, Texas, so here everything is so far. It's like going to another city in the same city, which is kind of crazy. But yes, Houston is so huge, so I'm gonna have in two location, and I have a big feeling about this. I really wanna continue doing the pop-up events. No matter what happens on these, no matter if I sell or don't, I really do. I'm actually in the process of actually creating two memory. I actually did one memory tumbler, 20 ounce, where it's about a girl's daughter, a mom's daughter who passed away, and she wanted to make her a memory tumbler, which is this is all about. Like, I want to create something that people will hold dear, and I want to bring it up to life. Make it so that people want a memory placed in a tumbler or anything else that's a blank. I want people to want to create the memory with me. And the end, they'll take it home and enjoy it. And so I did one, and then her other daughter, wanted one for her to remember her sister. And it's literally my first time creating a tumbler 40 ounce. So this was definitely gonna be a great um practice run for the actual thing, and I'm actually gonna use my 40 ounce tumbler new press that I'm gonna use to create this, and I'm gonna see how it goes. I will literally make a short about it, but I will put that in the future video to create to do that tumbler, to tell you my review about that, because it is so cool. I don't know, having these machines make me so happy. It's a very awesome thing to have, and especially if you enjoy it. If you enjoy doing the work, if you enjoy wanting to do everything and you're passionate about it, it's so worth it having all those machines, having all the stuff, because no matter what, it's best to do what you want. It's best to do what you love. Because at the end of the day, your mental health is the most important thing. So if making sublimation or any other passion that you have makes you happy and makes you money, why not just focus on that, grow it, rather than being in a situation that you really don't want to be. And I really enjoy this. I really think the pop-up uh craft markets are gonna work for me. I'm praying to God, and I'm praying that they are, because I really wanna literally travel next year and go into different pop-up markets, even outside the city. I do have to investigate about those, because different cities, different states require different tax things. So I would definitely, before I go, I would have to do that. But I really, next year, my kids are homeschool, so that wouldn't be an issue. I really want to travel like 3-4 times a month to different places out of the city. Just do that, just enjoy the journey. And I feel like this will get my kids and me, and even my mom, she'll be going with me. We'll be enjoying that, and that's what I want. I want to enjoy life and knowing a lot of places, and why not doing it while you earn money with it? So that is the plan. I'm not 100% sure it's set, but I am hoping it is. I really am, because if it works out with the pop-up market, I'm gonna save all that money so that I am able to travel, because traveling does require income, money to do that. But you know what? If I'm able to earn the money through the pop-up markets in other places, that'd be awesome too. I haven't seen people creating like sublimation on fairs. I've seen other things like wood carvings or like those laser type of that you engrave with the laser for the wood or the clothing for the leather. I've seen those done, and that's not a lot of equipment to really lug around. Is that how you say it? Lug. I'm sorry. So take around, but regardless. So this is the end up setup that I created with the help of my niece because she helped me out. And what do you think? I did all that. I actually have those leftovers. So I'm gonna put those for sale too. Those are engraved tumblers, but I don't really do those. I just had them leftovers. I'll have all those blanks. I have even more blanks, but that is actually how I end up. This is actually the video that I created to send over to the organizer. And I don't know, let me know what you think, how the video came out, this last part. That's what I actually sent her, and tell me in the comments, what do you think? Did I do a good job? Did I miss something? So we will see at the end. You'll see the results. I printed the designs. I actually pre-printed these and did some pre-done stuff because I didn't want to take the long. It was already like midnight when I was recording this. It was so exhausting. It was right after I get off from work. I created all that. But I don't know. What do you think? I am still working on those um ones that I did the straps. I think I still need work on that because that's the first time creating that. But the rest came out pretty good. I really enjoy the whole process of creating art and blanks. I think that is the best thing ever. And I don't know, those jumbo clipboards are actually pretty good. They're acrylic, and you learn new things. I couldn't get off the film on that one for some reason. It stuck to it. But I was able at the end to get it off, and it came out really pretty, better than I expected. And there I messed up. It should be the blank. Whenever you do a blank, it always goes the top up. The what you're gonna sublimate, always put the white up, and the one that's not going to be sublimated should be on the bottom because the heat won't go through, and so it won't do the right, it won't sublimate it correctly. And I kind of messed up on that. I had to redo that one for that purpose of the video so that I could send it, but it actually came out pretty good regardless. I had to change the settings. That's another thing that I need to worry about, changing settings for each blank, so I had to work on that towards the end. But this is the final results of it. What do you think? I had to change the design for that one because the other one didn't come out good. And that's the strap. What do you think, guys? Do you enjoy it?